Hello everyone. In the last video we already set up our server using AWS EC2 service. We already set up our instance and we also downloaded .pm keys. Now I am going to install a MQTT broker, open source MQTT broker called EMQX. This one, EMQX. So this is a open source MQTT broker. So I'm going to install and I will use this service for my IoT devices. So yeah, let's move forward and install this one. So first open your terminal here, and all these prompts I will mention in the YouTube description, so no need to worry about it. First I have to log in, and so I can connect my terminal, my SSH terminal, to my EC2 service instance. Now give this one command. Together we can give. So first I am installing Docker, and after installing Docker I will install EMQX MQTT broker. So let's see. So as you can see, the Docker is already installed. Now I'm going to install the EMQX. Now as you can see, we have installed our Docker on our EC2 instance, and you can see system load usage 21.4% of SSD it has used, memory usage 22%. So yeah, it has been installed. Now I'm going to install EMQX MQTT broker. So just copy and paste this one. It will take a little time. So yeah, as you can see, we have installed our EMQX broker successfully, MQTT broker. Now it is also showing that how much usage it has, and memory usage and temperature, all other stuff it is showing, metadata. Now I'm going to test and see the status. Just paste this command and see. Once we run this command, now just open this dashboard, EMQX. Username, when we installed it first time, so the default administration and password is admin, username is admin, and password is public. We can change it later. Yeah, use strong password. Okay, confirm. So here you can see we have installed our EMQX MQTT broker on our AWS EC2 service instance, which we created in the last video. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video.